Japanese restaurants never fail to attract droves of diners who love Japanese food. People are delighted with the distinctive aesthetic of its food presentation, which contrasts with the simplicity of taste due to its fresh, natural flavor, which is the secret of Japanese cuisine. Hello, fellow food trippers. Please join us on this food trip to dine at one of our favorite Japanese restaurants, Century Tsukiji, of the Century Park Hotel Manila at 599 Pablo Ocampo Sr. Avenue, Malate, Manila. Our family considers many points when dining in a Japanese restaurant, and Century Tsukiji nicely fills the bill. These include the variety in the selection of Japanese cuisines, the presentation, the welcoming ambiance, the excellent service of the staff, the reasonableness of the buffet price, and the authenticity of the food. Century Tsukiji's buffet spread can tickle anyone's palate with authentic Japanese cuisine. There you can enjoy utsumami, the Japanese small bites, also as appetizers or finger foods, sushi, sashimi, sunomono or vegetables in pickled vinegar dressing, nimono or simmered dishes, teppanyaki, dishes grilled on iron plates, tempura, the butter deep fried foods, yakimono, grilled meats, and delightful desserts. The creative presentation of nigiri sushi and maki sushi in different forms with proper color and flavor combination looks good and tastes good. The natural taste of the sashimis comes from the freshness of salmon, uni, tuna, white fish, and octopus, along with the salmon and tuna tartare. The different textures, the freshness, and the symphony of natural flavors in our palate made us sing. At the teppanyaki section, a diner can place an order from the chef, not on plastic samples as in Japan, but on actual servings displayed on saucers of scallops, salmon, beef and chicken, alongside baked oysters and scallops, and delivered fast on our table by attentive and polite waiters. The teppan grilled foods are best paired with kani and pomelo salad. The hot mains we feasted on were the sukiyaki, yaki udon, salmon kabutoni, yasai itame, toriteba, yakiniku, and chawanmushi. along with the make-your-own ramen section with choices of miso, cheese, and tonkotsu broth, which are so flavorful and rich to match. The dessert selection includes coffee jelly, green opera matcha, mocha rolls, panna cotta, tiramisu, ice cream, crepes of strawberry, caramel, and chocolate. The beverage station has refreshing unlimited juices and hot green tea, which are pleasant meal accompaniments throughout the buffet. These buffet treats are part of the regular spread that satisfies your Japanese food cravings at only 1,499 net per person for lunch and dinner from Mondays to Thursdays. These Japanese eat-all-you-can gets more exciting on Fridays to Sundays, including holidays. In addition to the regular spread, the menu gets better at 1,699 pesos net per person for lunch and dinner, with more dishes to enjoy like yakitori and assorted barbecue items, a variety of seasonal seafood, new sashimi and sushi creations, with the exclusive add-on of Japanese ice cream. The homemade Japanese ice cream has red beans, black sesame, green matcha, pink sakura, and light wasabi flavors. This house specialty ice cream is hard to resist, that we ask for seconds and thirds. It's always a joyous moment when the restaurant's gracious staff surprises the birthday celebrant with a complimentary cake complete with a birthday song, making one's dining experience more pleasurable. So, for any celebration and family get-together, come to Century Tsukiji and treat yourself, your family, friends, and loved ones to sumptuous Japanese cuisine. For table and private dining room reservations, call 8528-8888 and 0917-528-5888. We'll see you on our next food trip at Tongyang Grill and Shabu Shabu in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.